What is going on, guys? My name is Jorge, and that's a Chevy SS, not to be confused with a Malibu SS, but that's not what I want to talk to you about. Today, I want to talk to you about a car that I've had at a shop for a long time. It's been 3 years of dealing with, a car that wasn't running 100%, and finally, after going to a different shop, I think I might have gotten it back running 100%. It's a car that means a lot to me. It's my first car, and it's related to this one here. It's actually a 2009 Pontiac G8 GT, and it was my first car. Was pretty stock for the most part up until I finally graduated college and got a job, and then the modding started there. Excuse my hair, but the car's been through a lot. It's gone through what now will be the third motor, and it looks like finally got it done right. Let me show it to you guys. This right here is my baby, the 2009 Pontiac G8 GT. It's not stock by any means, and like I said, after 3 years, I think the engine is finally 100%. Just got it back right a few hours ago. Decided to give it a nice wash. It's still in the break-in period, so I'm going to be driving it quite a bit in the next couple days just to make sure everything is right. But so far, everything's looking really good. Want to give a huge shout out to Explicit Performance. Drew, you guys took really good care of me, and I'm excited. I can't wait to really get it up and running at full potential with everything I've got in store for it. As you guys can see, the license plates blown HSV, so that should give you guys kind of a hint of what's going to be under the hood of this thing. I'll keep you guys posted on that, but for now, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm so excited. I'm really excited and ready to get this car running. And how about, instead of just showing it to you guys, I'll give you guys a little show of how it sounds. This is not a cold startup, but a regular, I guess, warm startup of a 2009 built motor G8 GT. What do you guys think? It's really loud. Let me get up in front of the car. But what do you guys think? Does it sound good? Sound healthy? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think of how it sounds. Can't wait to be able to show you guys how it's going to sound up front in the engine bay. But soon enough. In the meantime, leave your comments down below. What do you think is going to be under the hood of this G8 GT, besides the built motor, of course? Like I said, the license plate blown HSV should give you guys a little hint, but leave the comments down below what you guys think. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later.